Hello everyone, my name is Enes. Today I will be showcasing my second Unity project created as a part of the CMPE 485 Introduction to Game Programming course. In line with the given description, I have created the Amazing World game where we will assume the role of a character who is trapped in a maze and must navigate through various obstacles and traps to escape. I have successfully completed all of the steps outlined in the homework description and have committed them separately to the GitHub repository. The hierarchy tab on the left showcases the elements of the homework steps with sub-elements structured for each step, allowing you to inspect each object in detail. The game features two displays. The first display provides the first-person view for our controllable character imported from the Asset Store of Unity to complete the bonus parts of the project, while the second display gives you a fixed tour of the environment with a flying camera, as we will see in a minute. Additionally, we can check how the maze structure and the environment are arranged by accessing the Scene tab and explore the game world from the Game tab with Display 1 after clicking the play button, which we will do in a minute. So, let's start the game and begin the journey through the maze. We will first start with the main menu scene since we want to show the initial starting screen. Let's start the game and make the game full screen. As you could hear, we have the sound of the game, soundtrack of the game, which I have created using artificial intelligence. And we can also make the sound off or on with this button by clicking it. It will stay there whenever we start the game also. We can click it whenever we want to stop the music. We could start the game or exit the game. Since we are using Unity now, we cannot exit the game with this button. But in the user's PC, when installing the application or game, pressing the exit button will exit the game. Let's start now. As you could see, we have the character now and we can control it however we want, and we can jump, we can walk, or simply walk slowly. As you could see, I'm walking very slowly now by pressing the shift key. And now I can move the camera in the direction I want by moving my cursor with the condition that the camera will be focused on the player. So let's move around a little bit. This is the main island that the player first starts, and let's jump into the ocean. As you can see, we have ocean here, and let's see what happens. We drowned and the game over. As you can see, I can open the music here and close it also in any screen of the game. It doesn't change the functionality. We can restart or go back to the main menu. Let's go back to the main menu. And as you can see, we are back to the first screen. Let's start again. And now we will go to the maze, where with this ramp, we have two options, left and right. I will choose the right one since the key will be there. And let's go. And now we are facing a spike trap, and we could pass by waiting 2 seconds or jumping over. But I will show you how it kills me. And as you can see, after colliding with the spike trap, I'm dead now and the game over. We will restart the game and this time we will try not to die. Let's go. And now we are moving towards the key. Let's jump this time. And after getting here, we have the dead end, meaning that there is no objects or way to go out from here. And we go back. That was the dead end island that I put. And let's move the key. And let's watch the spike traps. And let's move now. As you could see, the key object also collided with the spike traps. And now let's move the object to the final destination, which is the door, and try to open the door. It is closed and locked at the first place. Now let's try to open it. If I can manage to get this key. Yes, and we won the game at 65.75 seconds after our death and restart a minute ago. Now we can, as you can see, the door is open now. We can restart the game, go back to main menu, or explore for more. Since there's also the second part of the game, which I call the end game, we get back to the exploration. And this is the Waters Island, where we will try to get all the family members together. And we can see that Gumball is already here. Let's go and collide with the Gumball to see where we will be transported. And we are in a room now. Transported to a room, and we have two choices, Patrick and Penny. Let's choose Patrick as the demonstration. And that was the wrong choice, since Patrick didn't like us. Now I will click the continue button to go back and try the Penny option. Let's collide, and now we have the Darwin back here. So we are starting to reunite the family. Let's go with the Darwin, and we have again two options, Carrie and the Banana Joe. Let's choose Carrie. I know this will be the wrong choice, since she took us to that realm. Now let's go with the Banana Joe. And now we have Enes back. The family is reuniting. Let's go with the Enes. I don't want to go with the grandmother Joanna, so let's go with Daisy. And yes, we have Nicole here now. Let's go with the mother. We have Yuki and Lucy, but the Lucy was bullying her, so I don't want to go with her and go with Yuki to win the end game. So yes, we won the end game, and all of the members are here now. Let's see. Richard is also here, so the whole family is gathered now in the Watterson Island, so we won the game. That was it. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed my demonstration of this Unity project.